the Department of Water should be organizing on how do we preserve this water that will be coming from heaven, so that it's used both for domestic use, it's used for livestock, and it's used for agriculture. Me in agriculture, I should be thinking on how do I design my farms so that the El Nino rains that will be falling here does not slide to the rivers and go and use for agricultural production. The Department of Agriculture, through in partnership with our partners, including World Bank, International Fund for Agricultural Development, and other partners, on an attempt to make sure that we conserve water for agriculture, we have built more than 8 water plants across the county.